Hello, I'm Don Heller with the agency, and I'd like to welcome you to the Penthouse at the Liddel. This penthouse is a 3-bed, 3.5 bath unit with open living spaces that give you expansive views of the green Holmby Hills. I can't wait to show you around. There's an oversized skylight that bathes the entry in warm, bright light. The penthouse offers you the ultimate of privacy and exclusivity. Your breath will be taken away by the impressive wall of windows. The vaulted ceilings offer you a sense of openness, so you always feel uplifted when you're within the living area. There's a sense of intimacy because there's a connectivity between the kitchen and dining areas. The gourmet kitchen is comprised of wood-grained Italian cabinetry. Additionally, there is an expansive island which offers seating for casual dining, and for a more refined occasion, you can invite your friends and family over to the formal dining area. The dining area was designed for holiday and special occasion meals, and yet the connection to the outdoors offers a sense of al fresco dining. And speaking of the outside, each unit comes with a bicycle to promote exploration of the neighborhood and encourage leaving your car with the valet. And before heading out, make sure to stop in your office. This creative space, although quaint in size, has another set of energizing windows. And with its ensuite bath, you can convert this space into a beautiful guest room. In the penthouse suite, you can let go of all your cares. The sheer size of these windows alone will energize you every morning as you wake up. This corner of glass and light naturally harnesses the energy of the surrounding hills. The architectural designer made it this way. His vision was to create warm, organic, modern spaces. And from the looks of it, he's nailed it. And when you're really looking to unwind, the master bath will make you feel like you've escaped. Perfect for your own spa-like getaway. Thank you for joining me at the Penthouse at the Liddel. The name Liddel came from Alice in Wonderland, and you have been peering through the looking glass. See you at the next property.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?